Welcome back to Mogverse, where legendary machines meet real-world performance. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic utility vehicles ever built by Mercedes-Benz, the Unimog U406. Even in 2025, this classic workhorse continues to command respect across farms, forests, construction sites, and off-road trails around the world. This is not just a review of an old machine. This is a detailed look at why the Unimog U406 still matters today, how it performs by modern standards, and what kind of prices buyers can expect in the current market. The Unimog U406 was introduced during an era when vehicles were built to last decades, not just years. Designed as a medium-duty Unimog, it perfectly balances power, durability, and versatility. One of the first things that stands out about the U406 is its unmistakable design. The high ground clearance, portal axles, narrow yet tall stance, and compact cab give it a rugged personality that instantly tells you this machine was made for serious work. In 2025, that timeless design still looks purposeful rather than outdated. Under the hood, the Unimog U406 is typically powered by Mercedes-Benz's legendary OM352 inline-6 diesel engine. This naturally aspirated engine is famous for its reliability and long service life. Producing around 84 to 110 horsepower depending on the configuration, the OM352 may not sound powerful on paper by modern standards, but horsepower has never been the true strength of a Unimog. The real magic lies in its torque delivery. The engine produces strong low-end torque, which makes the U406 incredibly capable when pulling heavy loads, climbing steep gradients, or operating implements at low speeds. In real-world performance, the Unimog U406 shines where most vehicles fail. Thanks to its portal axles, the differential sits higher than the wheel center, giving the truck exceptional ground clearance. This allows it to move confidently over rocks, deep ruts, mud, and uneven terrain without scraping its underbody. Combined with coil springs and torque tubes, the suspension system allows for impressive axle articulation. Even in 2025, many modern off-road trucks struggle to match the wheel travel and stability of the U406. Another key performance feature is the drivetrain. The Unimog U406 comes with selectable four-wheel drive and locking differentials on both axles. This means when traction becomes limited, the driver can lock the diffs and keep all wheels turning together. On steep hills, muddy fields, or snow-covered roads, this capability makes a massive difference. The gearbox, often paired with a multi-range transmission, provides a wide spread of gears, including extremely low crawler gears. These gears allow the U406 to move at walking speed while delivering massive pulling power, perfect for agricultural and industrial work. On the road, the Unimog U406 is not designed for comfort or speed, and that's something buyers in 2025 must understand. Cruising speeds are generally limited, and the ride can feel firm compared to modern trucks. The cab is simple, functional, and built with durability in mind. However, many owners appreciate this simplicity because it means fewer electronics to fail. In fact, the mechanical nature of the U406 is one of its biggest advantages today. It can be repaired and maintained in remote areas with basic tools, something modern vehicles often cannot offer. When it comes to versatility, very few vehicles in history can match the Unimog U406. It features front, rear, and mid-mounted PTOs, allowing it to operate a wide range of attachments. From snow blowers and mowers to winches, cranes, and agricultural implements, the U406 can transform into multiple machines in one. This is a major reason why the U406 remains valuable in 2025. Especially for buyers who need a multi-purpose vehicle rather than a single-task truck. Fuel efficiency is another aspect worth discussing. While the OM352 engine is not as efficient as modern diesel engines with electronic fuel injection, it is surprisingly reasonable given the vehicle's weight and capability. In real-world use, fuel consumption depends heavily on the task, terrain, and gearing. More importantly, the engine's tolerance for varying fuel quality makes it suitable for use in regions where modern low-sulfur diesel may not always be available. Safety and comfort features are basic by modern standards. There are no advanced driver assistance systems, no airbags in older configurations, and minimal sound insulation. However, in 2025, many owners retrofit improvements such as better seats, upgraded lighting, power steering upgrades, and even modern braking enhancements. These upgrades can significantly improve daily usability while preserving the vehicle's original character. Now let's talk about prices in 2025. The value of a Unimog U406 depends heavily on its condition, originality, and modifications. Well-maintained working units generally range from around $25,000 to $40,000 US. Restored examples,